Is your roof leaking, missing shingles, or just getting old? If you're in Marion County, it's time to call True Roofing Construction. Shingle roofing is Florida's most popular choice for a reason. It's affordable, durable, and built to handle the heat, rain, and storms we deal with every year. Most roofs last 15 to 25 years, and a full replacement typically runs between $8,000 and $15,000. Watch for curling shingles, water stains on your ceiling, granules in your gutters, or a roof that's 15 plus years old. Any of those? Don't wait. Small problems turn into big expenses fast. With over 20 years of experience serving Ocala, Belleview, and all of Marion County, we offer honest pricing, quality materials, and fast turnaround. Financing is available, including $0 down options. Call us today at 352-386-4060 for your free roof inspection. No pressure, no hidden costs, just a straight answer from people you can trust. True Roofing Construction. We've got you covered.